Hello creators, welcome back to my another Premiere Pro tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to apply color preset in a video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. And I'll also give you 30 free color preset download link in the video description. So without any further ado, let's jump to the Premiere Pro. At first, take a video footage and simply drag and drop the video footage in the work area. Now you have to install color preset in the Premiere Pro. For this, first download the color preset. Here I have downloaded the color preset in my desktop. Simply open the folder and copy all the preset. Now go to program files of your computer and then go to Adobe folder and then Adobe Premiere Pro. Here we will find a folder named Lumetri. Go to Lumetri folder and then go to Luts folder. Here we will find a folder named Creative folder. You just need to paste all the color preset you have already copied. Here I have already imported all the color preset. Now go back to the Premiere Pro. And from the window options, select Lumetri color. Now select the video and go to Lumetri color and select Creative. Here you will find look options. From here, just select your favorite color preset. It looks so good from before. Simply unmark the Lumetri options to see the differences. Here we will find also some options. You can simply change the bit of vibrance, saturations and many more. If you like my tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get latest tutorial updates. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next tutorial.